Hello everyone! On today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your Huawei Ascend Mate 2. Before I begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press and hold the volume up button and power button until the Huawei logo appears. Okay, let's try. First, hold the volume up button and power button. Release when the Huawei logo appears. Then wait for the recovery screen. When the recovery screen appears, use the volume down button to navigate to wipe data, factory reset, and press the power button to select. Use the volume down button to scroll to yes, and press the power button to select. Wait for the factory reset to complete, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.